Dreamers pause at the trembling scene, listening for the shift beneath their feet. In the furnace, cradle divide, light bends toward unsettled truth. Every motion becomes a sign, every heartbeat shapes the air. Ash and sparks drift like measured breaths, hovering close to the changing tide. Walls once fixed begin to sway as voices rise.